Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on your HP laptop. So if you can't hear any sound from your HP laptop or speakers, then the first thing we need to do is head over to your start menu and search for settings. Click on the settings and go to the system menu here. Just click on system and go to sounds. And here in the output, under the output section, make sure that speaker device or headphone device must be selected. So after this, make sure that your volume slider is turned up. Once you have done this, scroll down to your troubleshoot common problems here and click on output devices, and then follow the steps on the screen to troubleshoot some issues. After that, it will ask to run automatic diagnostics to try solving your audio problem. Just click on yes and it will some diagnostic test on your laptops. That method doesn't work. Scroll down to advanced or more sound settings and click on this. And under the playback section, make sure that the speakers or headphones are enabled here. How you can enable it? By just right clicking on it and click on enabled here, as mine is already enabled, so like this. And make sure to disable all other devices which are not in your need. If that's still not working, then open the start menu and search for services. Click on the services. On the services window, scroll down until you see the window audio. So you can just click on window audio. Scroll down to see the window audio here. Just double click on it and make sure that the startup type is set to be automatic, as here mine is already selected. Then press apply and press OK. Double click on it again and you can see that the service status is running. So that's it. The next step, once that is done, open the start menu and search for device manager. Click on that and under the audio and inputs, just expand this. Right click on the speakers, click on update driver and click on browse my computer. No, click on search automatically for drivers and search for update and then close this. And again, just right click on it and click on update driver and click on browse my computer to find the drivers and click on let me pay for this and then click on this. Click on audio endpoint and then click on next and then that's it and close. So after that, just scroll down and go to the sound here. As you can see, expand this. Again, right click on real tech or audio update driver and click as browse my computer for drivers and click as let me pick from a list. That's double click on it and make sure click select high definition audio device this and click on next. Once you have completed all these steps, check again to see if your sound issue has been resolved or not. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos.